guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grichova. I'm an investment advisor, and now I'm going to my meeting at the taxi, and I have some amount of time. And not to waste it, I decided to make a video and tell you about confidence. It is like, oh my god. It can be really difficult question for you what to do, and I know it from my personal experience. So I go through these challenges and difficulties, and that is why I think that my knowledge can be really useful for you. And so, tell the truth, there is no magic pill. It is the complex aspect. So for every person, the way how to become confident can be individual, but there are some aspects that can help everybody. So for me, the professionalism and knowledge that I started having was the key reasons why I felt more confident. Moreover, at university, we had a lot of oral exams, and it was important to look confident if you want to get good marks. So even if you don't know the subject, but it seems for the teacher and others as you know everything, then you will get great results. And so it is all about confidence. So when you pass your exams, you always feel stress, and when you practice this skill using such aspects, then you understand how to control your emotions and to behave in other situations similar way. And so my exams at university gave me experience how to not to being stressed like inside, and to not like to be in stress. In reality I was in stress, but how to like take from your brains useful like details, information, and tell it to another person. So if we talk about real life, very often people don't feel confident, or I can tell that they feel less confidence when they are in some unexpected situations. So it is all about stress too. And so when you know how to behave in stressful situations at the whole, and when you practice, then you can react at all these situations, not showing your emotions, and you will be seen for the society as you are confident person. So the first aspect that helped me was that I became a better professional in some specific theme, investments and finance. So it is all about giving your more knowledge, and also it is practice in stressful situations. What can help you to become more confident person too is your inner corner. So when you are self oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot this word. So when you feel yourself that you don't really need anybody else and that you can solve problems by yourself, then you feel more confidence. I tell about this because when you work, for example, with clients, you should always show for them like confidence, otherwise you will not close deals. What is more, when you work for a big company, you should show criteria that are needed for several positions, otherwise you will be hired from the job, or you will not get more high position at your job too. So there are a lot of bonuses that will be given to you if other people see confidence. To tell the truth, you can not feel confident in reality in self, so you can fake. So there is another advice, it is like fake until you make it. So when you don't feel that you are like a confident person, my advice to you is to show that you are such kind of person, and people will believe you. So you should become like an actor a bit, and actually this will lead you to this feeling inside. So sometimes you like fake firstly, but then you start believing in your fake and become more person as it is like a fake. So this is another aspect that really works for many people too, and it worked for me several times in several aspects, not only in confidence, but it is very useful advice too. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.